Hello everyone. In my previous videos, I have discussed with you the educational implications and the factors affecting growth and development. Now, in this video, I'll discuss with you child development characteristics and characteristics of infancy period and the pre-childhood stage and their educational implications also. See, first of all, we'll start every topic from the introduction, and at last, students don't forget to write the conclusion. So the helpless baby of today becomes adult tomorrow. He has to cross various stages of the growth and the development. This also brings the changes in physical, intellectual, moral, social development in different stages of individual. These are certain period of process of development and characterized features of behaviors at certain period of an individual is termed stage. Though these stages are not universally acceptable, but we can divide on the basis of growth and development of an individual into the different stages. Mainly 4 stages are there. First A part stages: infancy. Infancy means 0 to 2 years of age. Childhood, 3 to 12 years old age. In childhood, 2 stages are there. One is a pre-childhood, means 3 to 7 years of age. Second one is a post-childhood, 7 to 12 years of age. Third part is adolescence, means from 12 to 17 or 18 years of age. And adulthood, D part is adulthood, means beyond 70 to 18 years of age. We'll start from the infancy stage, A part. Infancy, it is an increase in independence on the part of the baby. He wants to sit on the stand. He wants to do by his own work himself according to the feared. This stage is very important stage in the life of the child. According to the Horlock, what Horlock said, this stage is dangerous stage. He said this stage is dangerous because a large number of deaths takes place in this stage. According to her, this stage is appealing stage. He appeals, please all the adults around him. Now the important characteristics of this stage is first is a physical development, second one is a social development, third one is a emotional development, and fourth one is the intellectual development. Now the physical development. See, in physical development, first is the size and the weight. The weight, average weight is 3 to 16 pounds and normally 7 pounds. And the size is 19 inches and it varies to 17 to 21 inches. It is change in the proportion. Bones and muscles are developing, teeth usually come, and nervous system starts developing. Second one is the intellectual development. First is the development of the language. At the age of the 1 year, it pronounces only 3 words. 2 years, 272 words, and at the age of 3 years, 2072 words. Fertile imagination. He's curious to ask questions. He develops interest. Sensory development is there. Concepts, percepts, and the thoughts are developing. Third one is the emotional development. Emotional development is not specific. Usually he shows his anger, joy, affection. You can say identification, highly emotional, spontaneity. And the social development, he is not social. He is usually playing, fighting, friendship, or you can say sometimes he is playing solitary also and dependent also. Now the educational implications or the significance of this stage is first is he wants peaceful environment, social qualities, mother tongue, music, playway method we can use, special attention is creating, and the physical education is important. Now next is a late childhood stage. Late childhood is a period between the group of the 5 to 12 years of the age. It is the period between the childhood and the adolescence. See, it starts with the entry of the school and ends with the onset of the puberty. In this period, many physical, intellectual, emotional, and the social changes takes place. First of all, the physical development. Physical development, growth and the weight. See, growth is 54 inches and the weight is 85 pounds. Nervous systems are developing, growth of the muscles occurs, sex differences usually knows the children. Digestive system develops, sensory organs and the motor organs develop, teeth came, body proportional changes. Intellectual development of the language, curious to ask new things or curious to ask the questions. Development of the power thinking, or you can say development of the concept, development of the interest, and it imports a reality into the words of imagination. Next is the emotional development. Stability has come, sentiments and the complexity has come. Social development, sex differences, friendship, social group game, group playing are there, planning, group adjustment, group loyalty, group leadership, status consciousness, team games, and it gives the importance of, it knows the importance of the groups. Now the educational implications of the late childhood. See, it is very important for the proper development of the body, for the intellectual development, for the emotional security, and for the social development also. Next one is the adolescence. Adolescence comes from the Latin word adolescere, means growth. It is a period between the childhood and the adulthood. It starts from the at the age of 12 and ends with at the age of 18. See, it is called the puberty stage also. Puberty is also in this stage, childhood grows physically, mentally, socially, and emotionally. According to the Gerslade, adolescence is that span of years during which boys and girls move from the childhood to the adulthood mentally, socially, emotionally, and physically. According to the Blair, Jones, and the Simpson, it is a period of the life which begins in the childhood and ends in the adulthood. Now, what are the characteristics of this stage? First is the physical development and the growth changes. Increases the height and the weight. Rapid development of the body proportions. Rapid development of the muscles and the bones. Change in the voice also. Change in physical appearance. Growth of the genital organs. Breast development and the growth of the pelvis. Hair growth. Night emissions and the masturbation. Physiological development. Change in the motor performance. Now the emotional changes. Heightening of the emotions, not under the control, sexual frustration is there, variation in emotional needs, daydreaming and fantasy also there, increased compassion, increase in the inferiority complex, development of the abstract emotion, realism in emotional experience, complexity has come. Now the intellectual development, or you can say mental development. Development of the intelligence, development of the memory, development of the abstract thinking, development of the generalization, development of problem solving and ability to take the decision, increase in the span of attention, development of imagination, hero worship, biting of interest, development of the generalization. Now the social characteristics of the changes, sex consciousness is there, social consciousness is there, group loyalty, social services, and needs for the Indian adolescents. They need for security, they need for the good food, need for the self-support, need for the self-recognition, need of association with opposite sex, need of freedom from independence, need for success, need for the philosophy of the life, need for new experiences. Now the social problems of the Indian adolescents and solution. They are having a problem in adjustment to physical growth, adjustment to the emotional disturbances, adjustment to the mental development, problem of adjustment with friends, problem of adjustment with society, problem of the sex adjustment, problem of the home adjustment. Educational implications for the adolescents. First of all, the physical exercise and activities should be there. Appropriate lectures on the sex education. See, discouraging tighten the sleeveless clothes, and high moral and the religious education, respecting individuality and sympathetic and the affectionate attitude, decorating atmosphere, co-curricular activities, task of responsibilities, guiding centers, cooperative parents, and school center for the community services. That's all about this topic. Don't forget to share my video and kindly subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.